We begin above a vast Hevea rubber plantation, bathed in morning light, stretching as far as the eye can see. Skilled workers carefully tap the trees, making angled cuts to extract the precious latex without harming the plant. Latex slowly drips from the cuts, collecting in small cups beneath each tree.
Once collected, the latex is transported by truck to the processing factory for refinement.
In the factory, experts test the latex quality, ensuring purity before further processing.
An acid is added, causing the latex to coagulate into solid white flakes.
These flakes are then rolled and pressed, forming thin rubber sheets ready for drying.
The sheets are laid out to dry, exposed to air or smoke, until fully cured.
Once dry, the rubber sheets are baled and packed, ready to be shipped.
In the tire factory, rubber is mixed with carbon black, sulfur, and other compounds to form a durable compound.
In a Banbury mixer, all ingredients are combined to create the perfect rubber blend. Sidewalls, beads, and steel belts are individually crafted before assembly. In the tire building machine, layers are assembled to form the green tire.
These green tires are then vulcanized in molds, giving them their final shape and strength.
Each tire is inspected for balance, uniformity, and safety before approval. Finally, the finished tires are packed and shipped worldwide, ready for the road.